Let's examine some of the features in the Customers module. To access the Customers module, click Back Office, then Customers. First, let's click Customers. This will probably be familiar as it opens the same module as the Customers button at the point of sale. Here you can add new customers, edit existing customers, and view customer profiles. Click the Miscellaneous tab in any customer's profile and you will be able to export a list of all customer email addresses, print mailing labels for all customers, and choose the fields you require your cashiers to enter at the point of sale. For example, if you require your cashiers to enter the customer's first name, last name, and email address when entering a new customer, then check the boxes next to those fields. Click Bye-bye to exit Customers. Next, let's click Customer Sales. Here you can run reports that will show your customer's sales for a given time period. It is important to note that this query will only show results for sales that have customers attached to them. To maximize your results, make sure that your cashiers are connecting a customer to each sale at the point of sale. If they are not, then there will be no information to report. Like other VRP reports, you can enter any combination of search parameters. You may wish to see sales for a particular store or a particular customer, all customers in a specific city or zip code, all sales for a specific product, including size and color if you wish, sales for a particular vendor or company, or sales for a group, including subgroup and subsubgroup if necessary. You can even choose to see sales that are over a certain dollar amount. Enter the desired date range, then click Run. The results will show all customers who made purchases that fit the criteria you entered. A very useful function is that you are able to email your customers directly from this module. Let's say that you have an upcoming sale on all clothing and Mark wants to email all of the customers who purchased clothing from him in the first quarter of this year to let them know about the sale. Mark may choose to select his customers by entering his store, entering the group clothing, and entering his name as the sales rep. To use the email function, you must run the report as a summary. Then enter the dates and click Run. To send an email to these customers, click the Email button. Mark can now enter his email address, the subject, and the message he would like to send to his customers. He must also enter the SMTP associated with the mail account he is using to send this email. If you are not sure what this is, contact your network administrator. The email may be sent in HTML format and may include an attachment. When he is finished, he can click Send Mail to send this email to all of the customers in the search results. Close the window when you are finished. It is also important to note that in order to use the email function, an email address must be entered in the customer profile for these customers. You may want to make email a required field if you wish to use this feature. Let's review that process again. Click Customers, then click Zoom. It does not matter which customer is highlighted, as this is a global setting and will apply to every new customer entered. Click the Miscellaneous tab. Make sure Email is checked as a required field. From this tab, you can also export a listing of all customer email addresses. To do this, click Export Email Addresses. Choose the location to save the file, and change the name if you wish. Then click Save. Click Yes to save the list and open it, or click No to save the list without viewing it. Click Bye-bye to exit customers. To access the list of email addresses, click Emails. Choose a date range. Then click Run. This will display the email addresses for all of your customers as of the date you ran the extract. From here you can print the list or export it. Click Bye-bye to exit the email extraction listing.